Hello everyone. So I'm back with a new topic that is rulers in Microsoft Word. So guys, in this video, I'll be explaining you about how rulers work in Microsoft Word, how you can show or hide the ruler in your Word document, and how you can set the page margin and paragraph indentation using rulers. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon and also like the video. So before going towards the practical of rulers, okay, let me show you the notes which I have prepared. So in this website, techguidance.com, I just go to basics in MS Word. In MS Word, you'll find the topic rulers in Word. Just go to this topic and you'll find my step-by-step notes of using rulers in MS Word. So guys, we have also made the app of Tech Guidance. The description, the links of this website and the Android and iOS apps I have given in the description box of the video. Kindly refer that. So let's start the practical of rulers. So first of all, let's see how you can show or hide the ruler in Microsoft Word document. Right now, there are no rulers in the document. So there are two ways how you can, show or hide the ruler. Firstly, just go to the View tab, this View tab in MS Word document. Here, there is a checkbox of ruler. Just click this checkbox. You will find that two rulers appear on your page. This is horizontal ruler bar and this is vertical ruler bar, right? So if you uncheck this box, rulers will get off from the document. This and this. So this is the first way of showing rulers. The second way is just above this vertical scroll bar there is a button. If you hover over this, this is view ruler button. So if you click on this, the horizontal ruler and vertical ruler will be shown. If again you click, these will go automatically. So just click here. So now we will see how the rulers work. What are the functionalities of rulers? But before that, I want to tell you one more thing. Sometimes in print layout view, this is print layout view. Vertical ruler is not shown by default. So you have to go to the settings to show this. So just go to File, and in File go to Options. In Options, just go to Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, go to Display Settings. These are the display settings. In this, you have to check this Show Vertical Ruler in Print Layout View. If this box is not checked, then vertical ruler will not be shown. Horizontal ruler will always be shown in your document if you show it, but vertical ruler sometimes is not shown in print layout view. So just this is a trick how you can show vertical ruler always. So just check this box, click on OK, and vertical and horizontal rulers are now displayed. So now the main functionalities of rulers are you can set the page margins using rulers, and number two is you can set the indentation of paragraph using rulers. So firstly, let's see how you can set the margins of your page. As you all know, there are four types of margins. Left margin of your page, this is right margin of your page, this is top margin, and in the bottom there is bottom margin on the page. So if you just click here, I mean hover over this, this is left indent, it means left margin, right? So if I select this, I drag this left indent to this side. So the left margin of your page increases according to this, right? So I get it back. So suppose now if you want to increase the right margin of your page, then just drag this arrow. So the right margin of your page gets increased. So the horizontal ruler is used to set left and right margins on your page. Similarly, you can change the top and bottom margins using the ruler. Just drag this. So the top margin gets increased. Similarly, if you drag this, the bottom margin will get increased or decreased by using vertical scroll bar, vertical ruler, right? Now, how you can set the indentation of paragraph using rulers? Indentation, as you all know, indentation is the starting point of a paragraph. We all know there are two types of indentation. First is first line indentation. So you can see these two arrows. The first arrow, it shows first line indent, that is first line indentation. The second arrow, if you hover over the second arrow, it shows hanging indentation. So let's understand what these indentations are. First line indentation means the first line of the paragraph will be started a little inwards, right? As we all see in the books, the paragraphs are, the first line of the paragraph is started from little inwards, right? So let's see, if you drag this only first arrow, let's drag this. So the indentation of the paragraph is set as first line indentation. If you want to have more margin, then like this. Okay. So as you can see, the first arrow, it sets the first line indentation of your page, of your paragraph. Right? Now, what is hanging indentation? Hanging indentation is very rarely used, but hanging indentation says that except first line, all other lines of the paragraph are set little inwards. So let's see. I select this paragraph, just drag this second arrow. Okay, I drag the second arrow. Yeah. So except first line, all other lines of the paragraph are set little inwards. Right? So using horizontal ruler, you can set the indentation of paragraphs also. So rulers are mainly used for two things. Firstly, to set the top, bottom, left and right margins of the page, and second, to set the indentation of your paragraph, first line indentation and hanging indentation. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned to my channel, and thank you so much.